Here are 8 secrets to manifest money using the law of attraction. Stay tuned. What's up, you guys? My name is Jose. Welcome back to the IPO Nerd, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. America's #1 IPO news channel. So today, we're going to be looking at 8 ways to manifest money using the law of attraction. Guys, this works. I use this every day, all day to make all my money, and I attract what I think about, right? So with that being said, let's get right into it. First thing you want to do, you want to build a relationship with money. A lot of us grew up thinking money is evil. Money's the root of all evil. We will never need money. What do you need money for? This is something I heard growing up all the time. What do you need money for? Well, buddy boy, I'm afraid to tell you, it's not about you. It's about those that you can help if you have money. Somebody that has no money or no relationship with money or an unhealthy relationship with money is not able to help anyone else. So this is why you need to make sure that you build a healthy relationship with money. Money's a tool. Money's not evil. Money's an animate object, right? You can use it for good or evil. But what you cannot do is use the money that you don't have in any way or capacity, shape, or form. So guys, make sure you build a healthy relationship with money and don't be afraid of it. You need it to help those that you love the most. And number 2, we got to talk with money. Guys, you have to know what your money's going into. Where are you putting your money into? If you want me to tell you who you are, let me see what you're spending money on. I mean, guys, you have to think about your future. You have to think about good investments, like the S&P 500 or some kind of an ETF. Make sure that you stay away from risky investments like cryptocurrencies. If you look at the state of cryptocurrency nowadays, nobody's even talking about Bitcoin anymore. And it used to be a huge, big deal back in the 2020, 2022 when everyone had money and they were looking for ways to invest their money, right? So make sure you do your own research and only talk to your money. Tell your money what to do, guys. If you don't tell your money what to do, your money's going to tell you what to do. So make sure that you take control of your money before it takes control of you. At number 3, using the law of attraction is you have to feel your money physically, guys. We live in a society where everything is electronic. So we forgot the value of $1 in your hand. When was the last time you held a $20 bill in your hand or a $50 bill in your hand, guys? We forgot what money feels like. We forgot what money smells like, right? So it's easy for us to spend it when we hold in plastic. Everywhere we go is plastic. Electronically, it's easier to spend your money. But when you have it in your hand, in your wallet, in your pocket, you think about it before you give it away to things that you don't need in life. So make sure that you don't lose that connection, the physical connection to money, guys, which is smell your money, coming in at number 3. At number 4, be passionate about money, guys. You can't have a good relationship with money if you hate money. Money's not going to come to you. Think about it. Someone that hates you, are you going to go to them? Are you going to spend time with them? No, so you have to be passionate about money. But more than that, you have to be passionate about the things that money allow you to do, like the freedom that it gives you, guys. It gives you a peace of mind, and it allows you to help your loved ones. So you have to be passionate about money. You have to be going after it every single day. And they say the average millionaire has 7 sources of income. The law of attraction says you have to be passionate about the things that you want. You have to think about them and invite them into your life. So be passionate about money, and this way more money will come to you because you are inviting it into your life. So at number 4, we got be passionate about money. At number 5, the law of attraction says you have to act as if you were wealthy already, guys. When you act as if you were wealthy, let me tell you something. You will become wealthy because the law of attraction says you become what you feel. Remember, thoughts become emotions and emotions become actions, and actions will allow you to become wealthy. You have to take action, guys. Attraction. What's the second part of that word? Action. Okay, so you have to attract it first with your thoughts and your feelings. You're feeling good and you're looking good, and you say, I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna make this money. And guess what? You put it into action, you take the right steps, and you become wealthy. So that is number 5. You have to act already as if you were wealthy. Now, this does not mean that you go out there and you buy a Lamborghini, you buy a couple homes and stuff like that. If you can't afford them, That's just not what it means. It just means that you handle yourself with confidence, with respect. You expect nothing but the best for yourself and your family and your life, and the law of attraction will bring it to you. At number 6 is always put your dreams in your pocket. When was the last time you heard a little kid say, I want to become a worker, a 9-to-5 worker. When we were little, we never thought this way. We wanted to be a fireman. We wanted to be policemen. We had dreams. Somehow between being little and growing up, we gave up our dreams. We said, you know what, this is not going to happen for us. And we just settled. So never forget your dreams, guys. What is it that you wanted to do when you were little? I always wanted to be an actor. So I did it. I always wanted to be a singer. So I did it. I wanted to always join the army. I thought I was Rambo, so I did it. Whatever it is that you wanted to do when you were little, do not forget about your dreams, guys, because your dreams can become true if you just believe in them and go after them. So do not quit on your dreams. Keep your dream list in your pocket. At number 7 is write yourself a check. Let me tell you something, guys. So here's a little story. Jim Carrey, when he was broke, he wrote himself a check for $10 million. He folded it up and put it in his pocket, right in his wallet. A few years later, he landed a role in Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. And guess what? He was able to cash that check, right? So he always believed in his dreams, and you have to be the same way. This kind of ties up to the last one that we just did. It's like, do not forget about your dreams. Think as you are already wealthy, and you will become wealthy with the law of attraction. You will attract that money. So write yourself a check or write yourself a list or whatever of the things that you want to have. A lot of people use vision boards as well. These are pretty cool. It's when you put a picture of your dream house, a picture of your dream partner, a picture of your dream car, and you put it up on a board. It's called a vision board, and you put it up on the fridge. And you know what? You look at it every day. You say, okay, this is something I'm working towards to. Demanding only the best for yourself, and you're thinking about, these things I can also acquire if I take the right steps towards my financial freedom and my financial stability and becoming wealthy. So it worked for Jim Carrey. He wrote himself $10 million check, put it in his pocket. 2 years later, he landed a big Hollywood film role, and he was able to cash that check. He never gave up on his dreams, and now he's one of the biggest actors in Hollywood. So at number 7, we have write yourself a check, use the vision board, use whatever you have to do to keep you on track to becoming wealthy and achieving your goals and your dreams. And last but not least, at number 8 is be grateful for what you have, guys. If you're grateful for what you have, then more will come your way. Always be in the attitude of gratitude. This works for every single billionaire out there. Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, these guys give billions of dollars in charity every single year. So make sure that if you happen to be in the position to be super wealthy and you can help others, make sure that you do that, because the universe will repay you back with the law of attraction. The more money you give out, the more money you're gonna receive, and so many blessings for you and your family and loved ones. Everyone knows somebody that's broke but is happy, and everyone knows somebody that has money and is unhappy. So it's all about your state of mind, guys. So always be grateful for what you have, and never forget, the more you give, the more you receive. And that was 8 ways to manifest money using the law of attraction, guys. Did I forget to mention any other way? Let me know in the comments below. Have you used any of these ways to attract money into your life? If so, let me know how is that working out for you, and make sure that you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, guys, and don't forget to check out more of my videos. But before that, make sure you take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.